Hello, in this video I'll show you how to add Amazon SES to Jellyreach. Once you log in, you need to select your region. You can simply type SES in the search. Here you need to add identity, which is your domain, subdomain or email address. The easiest way is to select email address and verify it. Of course, domain is better option, so let's choose that. Type your domain name, check the option to use a custom mail from domain, and then type subdomain. I'll type marketing. Uncheck publish DNS record to route 53. I'll explain this later. For now, just click on create identity. Now you need to identify domain by adding 3 CNAME records, MX record and TXT record. This is very simple. You can send email to your hosting provider or you can do it by yourself. You simply need to copy these records one by one and paste them to your DNS management. As you can see, we're using Cloudflare, but it will be easy to do this on any other DNS provider as well. After you're done, go back to verified identities. You should see that your domain is verified. Sometimes you may need to wait a few minutes. Your account is most likely in a sandbox, and you can see that on the account dashboard. To go out of the sandbox, click on Request Production Access. Enter the request details, including mail type, website URL, and use case description. Select to agree with AWS terms and policy and submit request. Of course, I won't do that now, but I did it many times before, and it never took more than an hour to approve this request. Since this account is in the sandbox environment, there is a daily sending limit of 200 emails. Once you get approved, this number will be much bigger, like 15,000. Plus, you can always send requests to increase your sending limit, which they usually approve. The next step is creating API key. In the search, type IAM and click on it in the results. Go to Users and click on Add User. Type username, select access key. Programmatic access and click on Next. To set permissions, choose to attach existing policies directly. Then in search, type SES and select full access. Then type SNS and again select SNS full access. Please don't add administrator access because we only need SES and SNS permissions. This way you keep your account safe. Click on Create User and you'll get access key ID and secret access key. Copy access key ID and go to Jellyreach. Click on Channels and add email provider. Select region and paste access key ID. Then copy and paste secret key. Enter your name, email and click on Test Connection. I can see that the connection is valid. Of course, if I change the key, the connection will not be valid. Finally, click on Save, and that's it. Your Amazon SES integration is ready. I want to mention a few more things. First of all, if I delete this account in AWS and then open Amazon SES in Jellyreach, I will see that the connection is invalid because it doesn't exist anymore. You can go to Amazon SES account and see that there was no email usage. Once you go out of the sandbox, you'll see a lot more information like bounce rate and suppression list. After you add this integration, our service will create a configuration set. This allows us to track different event types. If you need any additional help, please contact us at support@jellyreach.com.